Sanbanani dumelang apsheni, hello. That's how we want to greet you, saying welcome to my show. There are many ways to greet when people call, but a smile is still the greatest greeting of them all. Woo! Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, hello. If it's like your third, fourth time, then welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, guys, this song. Oh, me and my sister used to go crazy over it. But anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I know I did my nails, so of course my hands are gonna run up and down your screen. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so for those who know, or maybe okay, for those who know, guys, my mom is like a Doek connoisseur. Olava is the master, the expert. She has different ways of rapping Doek, and of course, if you are born of a master of something, it will somewhat be in. First things first, I'm not relaxed. So first things first, I'd like to give a shout out to Usisa, guys. You need to check out her channel. Sisa is Sisa Teacher on YouTube. I'm pretty sure you can find her easily on Twitter, Sisa Teacher, Sisa Space Teacher. So the first thing is, why do I mop my hair like this for Doek? Because I have hair. It helps with ukukhathisa iqhiya yakho. What is ukukhathisa again in English? It helps support, yes. It helps support your Doek so that it doesn't just fall or, you know, just, yeah. I do that, and yeah, it helps. But if I've got twist outs or something like that on my hair, then what I will do is I will I will twist my hair. Then if I want it to stand, like I've got my hair up, if I want it to stand like that, then I have to first have wrap my hair in Doek under the one that that is gonna be visible to the peeps. So I'll have to wrap Doek twice, and that can be heavy. Like it can be very heavy on intloko yakho. Light, come back. Ooh. So the first thing I do is I first twala my thing that I sleep in. It's like a satin thing, but just to make sure that the cotton thing does not sting my hair. The cotton, because I'm gonna put a scarf on my head, so ilapu doesn't pull on my hair, doesn't dry out my hair. So what I wear when I sleep is what I will wear to under my Doek to khathisa, you know. I mean, to protect my hair. Wow, guys, if you hear waters and winds, it's raining outside. It started raining, but anyways, once I'm guys, I should be going out anyways. So yeah, my mom caught me one time wrapping a Doek, and she was like, I was like, I'm rapping Yatwala. Your girl was like, let me teach you, girl. So that's how I learned how to rap a Doek, guys. First, take my scarf, of course, not folded. It's definitely not folded. This is what my mom taught me Gebetuna when she was teaching me the right way of twali Doek. Yeah. First do that, and then bring it up at the back and cross it. Are we crossing? Yes, we are crossing. Cool. So first things first, you flat out lay lendawo ezohlala kahle iqine, babes, darling. Then then she taught me that you make the creases for ilentwa yakho, ne? Then you make the creases with your scarf, and then now I don't tie my Doek at the back, I tuck it in. So I tuck it in because I don't want, tying makes it very painful like in these areas, and so I don't want that kind of mess. So you make the folds, ne? Then you hold your doek, but make sure it's like sitting right. It's holding what needs to be held. Yeah. Then you bring it over. Yeah, well, the folds are there, but they're not right. But anyways, like you bring it over. Go on, you. Your folds need to be right. This is what my mama taught me. Folds need to be right. Bring it up because you still need to do more work. Oh, it's folds are but anyways. Then can you fix your doek to sit the way it has to sit. Oh, I bow. Okay, so that's how I wrap my turban or doek. I hope you guys liked how I wrap my doek, guys. Right. So to all my African queens, my African kings, must put me in between us your cute toilet. Ooh, guys. Oh, by the way. Imifreo, guys, I don't know what umfreo is. Let's say tassels. These tassel-like things that were on the scarf, they should not show. So if your scarf has tassels, these things that fly about, they must not show. It must be sleek with like folds, guys. Just folds. It's cute. Like this is what you're trying to get Lindo. It must it's everywhere. I didn't do it right this side because Anywho, I hope you guys really liked this video, this tutorial. I have different ways of wearing a doek. When I do braids again, I haven't done braids in like since 2016. But as soon as I do braids again, I'm going to show you guys how I do the wrapping of a turban or a doek over the braids, whether you want them to show and like, you know, I can go. But whether you want them to like, you know, to show as a ponytail, or whether you just use a bun to wrap a doek, I'll show you guys how to do that. But now we're doing it with our hair. So I really hope you guys like this video. Enjoy the rest of your week. And yeah, bye guys.